Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by signing into your Microsoft account and verifying GPT-4 access. This grants model selection. Once signed in, open Bing. Com/chat or use the Edge sidebar and pick chat or compose mode so you're in the right context. Next, select the GPT-4 model option and adjust the creativity/tone slider to control responses. Make sure to enable any required plugins or experimental features. Doing this first avoids interruptions and prepares you to issue focused prompts right away. You should craft prompts that show intent. Begin with a short system instruction, then add context and explicit goals so the model knows the task and constraints. Once done, ask for a high-level outline, review it, and request expansion section by section. This keeps outputs focused and editable. Make use of follow-up prompts to iterate, toggle memory features if desired, and provide files or web snippets for context. By chaining steps, you control depth and avoid irrelevant tangents while improving accuracy. You finish by reviewing the generated content, asking for citations, examples, or a concise summary to lock clarity. Once satisfied, export drafts, copy responses, or use Edge integrations to save work and preserve context. If outputs drift or hallucinate, reframe the prompt with clearer constraints, lower the creativity setting, or restart the chat session to reset model state. As a single troubleshooting tip, when the model misinterprets facts, provide a short correction and request revision. That usually realigns the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.